السلام عليكم، اهلا بيكم حبايبي. معاكم ميس مروه من قناه ميس مروه. النهارده ان شاء الله هنستكمل شرح منهج كونكت بلس لجريد 1. كنا وصلنا في الفيديو اللي فات اللي احنا بدأنا في يونت 3، اخدنا لغايه ليسن 2. النهارده ان شاء الله هناخد ليسن 3 في يونت 3. ما تنسوش تتابعوا الفيديو للاخر، هسيب لكم هوم ورك اثناء الفيديو، هتكتبوا لي الاجابات في الكومنتس تحت وتكتب لي اسمك تحت الانسر، وان شاء الله الفيديو اللي بعديه هقول اسمك في بدايه الفيديو. نيجي هنا نشوف الفوكاب اللي عندي في lesson 3. number 1 my town. my town يعني ايه؟ يعني مدينتي. town يعني مدينة، وعارفين ان my دي ملكية بتخصني انا. my town مدينتي. school مدرسة. park منتزه يعني مكان انا بتفسح فيه اسمه park. my town school park. the next one market يعني السوق. butchers ركزوا معايا بقى النهارده في كلمات جديدة. هنا عندي butchers يعني ايه؟ butchers يعني محل الجزارة. butchers the place we buy meat يعني المكان انا بشتري منه meat اللحم. the next one bakery مخبز. bakery the place we buy bread المكان اللي بشتري منه الخبز. again my town school park market butchers bakery. the next one house منزل. meat لحم. bread خبز. fruit فاكهة. buy يشتري. repeat after me. my town school park market butchers bakery. the next one house meat bread fruit buy. in the next page read and learn. الجزء ده مهم جدا نركزوا معايا. we buy قلنا buy يعني يشتري. we buy fruit at the market. زي ما احنا شايفين احنا هنا عندنا ايه؟ الماركت. يبقى احنا بنشتري الفروت منين؟ من الماركت. وناخد بالي ان هنا عندي البريبوزيشن يعني حرف الجر at دايما هتلاقوه موجود في كل السنتنس اللي عندي. يبقى هنا انا عندي two words، عندي كلمتين مهمين جدا. اول ما اشوف كلمة fruit اعرف ان انا بشتريها منين؟ من الماركت. we buy fruit at the market. number 2 we buy meat at the butchers. يبقى هنا عندي الميت at the butchers but fruit at the market. meat at the
butchers.
excellent. the next one we buy bread at the bakery. fruit at the
market.
meat at the
butchers.
اللي قدامي ده محل الجزارة. butchers. we buy bread at the
bakery.
where is the bakery? we buy bread at the
bakery.
where is the bakery? here is the bakery. the next one I play at the park. يعني أنا بلعب at the park with مع my friends. I play at the park with my friends. again read.
we buy fruit at the market.
excellent. the next one
we buy meat at the butchers.
excellent. butchers. the next one
we buy bread at the bakery.
Excellent. The last one.
We.
I, not we.
I play at the park with my
friends.
friends.
Excellent. The next page, the exercise. Number 1, mark, write the correct answer. Number 1, read number 1.
This is a town.
Excellent. This is a town.
Yes.
Excellent. Yes. Number 2,
We buy meat at the park
bakery.
bakery.
Again, we buy.
We buy meat at the bakery.
Do you buy meat from the bakery?
No.
Excellent. No. Number 3,
I play at the park
with.
my friends.
Excellent. Yes or no?
Yes.
Excellent. Yes. Number 4,
This is a house.
This is a house.
No.
It is a school.
School.
Number 5,
We buy fruit at the market.
do we buy fruit at the market?
Yes.
Excellent. Yes. Number 6,
This is a school.
is it a school?
No.
Excellent. No. Number 7,
We buy bread at the butcher's.
butchers. Excellent. We buy bread at the butchers?
No.
Excellent. No. Number 2, rearrange the following sentences or questions. Number 1, this town is. Where is number 1?
This
This
is
my
town.
town. Excellent. Number 2, fruit that we at by market. Where is number 1? We. Where is the verb?
At.
We. No. Where is the verb? We buy. We.
Buy.
The verb is buy. We buy. We buy what?
Fruit
Excellent. We buy fruit
at
the
market.
market. Excellent. Number 3, buy. We butchers the at meat. Where is number 1? We. Where is the verb?
Buy.
Buy. Excellent. We buy. We buy what?
Meat
Meat. Excellent. We buy meat
at
at
the
the butchers. Excellent. Number 4, bakery. We at buy bread. Where is number 1? We. Where is the verb?
Buy.
Buy. We buy. We buy what?
Bread
Bread. Excellent. We buy bread
at
at
the bakery.
bakery. Excellent. يبقى هنا نمبر 1 عندي المكتوبة هنا في البلاك اللي لونها اسود على طول. نمبر 1 افتر نمبر 1 لازم يكون عندي verb. خلاص طالما قلت we buy what احنا بنشتري ايه. اول ما اقول bread خلاص بتلاقي بقية الجملة كلها ماشية كده مع بعضها، يعني ما فيهاش اي صعوبة. نمبر 3، supply the missing letters. Number 1, which word?
W.
Read the word. Town. Which letter? W. Excellent. Read the word. Butchers. Which letter? C. Excellent. Read the word.
House.
Which letter? U. Excellent. Read the word.
School.
Which letter?
H.
Excellent. Read.
Bakery.
Which letter?
K.
Excellent. read
bar,
park
park,
which letter?
K,
K. Read
market,
which letter?
K,
K. Excellent. Read meat which letter?
A,
Excellent. Read
bakery,
no.
bird,
Bread again. Bread which letter?
E,
Read
fruit,
which letter?
U,
Excellent. U. Read the word
boy,
excellent. Which letter?
U,
Excellent. What is the meaning of buy?
يشتري,
Excellent. يشتري. The next one, choose the correct word in brackets. Number 1, we chocolate at the supermarket. We what? Play, buy, drop.
buy,
Excellent. Buy. Number 2, we buy meat at the
butchers,
Excellent. Butchers. Number 3, we buy bread at the
bakery,
Excellent. Number 4, we buy fruit at the
market,
Excellent. Number 5, we buy sweets the supermarket. Which the preposition? In, at, on? At. Excellent. Number 6, I go to in the morning. School, house, butchers.
school,
Excellent. School. هنا عندي number 7 ونمبر 8 ونمبر 9 ونمبر 10. هنا دول عندي homework. هتكتبوا لي بس الورد اللي انتوا اخترتوها كده في الكومنتس. يعني هنا عندي 1 2 3 4. هتكتبوا لي الفور ووردز كده تحت بعض، وبعد كده هتكتب لي your name اسمك كده تحت الاختيارات اللي انت كتبتها لي في الكومنتس. وان شاء الله الفيديو اللي جاي هعلن عن اسماء الولاد والبنات اللي حلوا معايا السؤال ده. Number 5, write the missing parts using the following words. Which words? Bakery, butchers, town, market. Number 1, this is a butchers. Excellent. حتى هنا هلاقي butcher shop، يبقى هنا عندي this is a butchers، يبقى هنا هكتب butchers. Number 2, this is a which one? Bakery, town or market? Excellent. Market. Number 3, this is a bakery. حتى مكتوبة عندي هنا this is a bakery. This is a فاضل هنا عندي ايه بقى؟ هنا
town.
عندي excellent. هنا عندي town the last one، يبقى هنا هكتب this is a town. Excellent. يبقى كده حبايبي احنا انتهينا من lesson 3 في unit 3 منهج connect plus لجريد 1. ما تنسوش الاشتراك في جروب الفيسبوك، هسيب لكم اللينك الجروب في الديسكريبشن بوكس تحت، وما تنسوش تحملوا الابليكيشن، هسيب لكم اللينك في الديسكريبشن بوكس تحت عشان تجاوبوا على الاسئله ويوصلني اسمكم بالدرجه بتاعتكم. وشكرا حبايبي، وان شاء الله نتقابل الفيديو اللي جاي.